So 1 minute your videos are working fine, the next minute, nothing. So if your Windows laptop or PC is not playing videos and you don't have audio, this video is going to show you how to easily fix this problem. So as you can see on the screen, it's not playing. It's kind of like buffering, but you don't hear anything, you don't see it moving, right? Even if I click on another YouTube video, the same results. The same thing happens if I click on videos that are actually downloaded on my computer, like in my file folders. So as you can see, no videos or audio is working on my computer anywhere. So this is what we're going to do to fix it. We're going to go to the bottom of the screen where the search bar is. I'm going to type in the word services. We're going to click on open services. Once we do that, we're going to scroll all the way down to until we find the words window audio or Windows audio. So if you notice, it's Windows audio, right? It's not Windows video option we're clicking on. We're clicking on Windows audio option. And that's why this issue affects both audio and video. Once we find that, we're going to right click on that, and then you're going to see these options pop up. So these options right here, I'm clicking on, you're going to go to all tasks, and then in all tasks, you're going to see the word restart. I'm going to click on the word restart. And once you do that, it's actually going to restart it. So once we do that, it's going to reset. And when it finishes resetting, you should automatically see everything back working again. Your video should be working again. Your audio should be working again. And that's it. And that's how you do it. So again, the steps are go to the Windows search bar, type in services. Once you click on services, you're going to scroll down till you see Windows audio. Right click on Windows audio. You really don't have to click on the word all tasks. It's just a habit of mine to always click on that. As you can see, once you right click on Windows audio, you're going to see the word restart in that section right there. So all tasks is really just an extra step that I do. That's it. That's all you have to do to fix this problem. Now, I will say this is a temporary fix. For whatever reason, this Windows computer will freeze up and not play my video, and I won't hear audio. So I'm not sure if it's the graphics card. I'm not sure if it's the sound system that I use or just a Windows glitch. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys know why this happens? If you guys know how to fix this issue permanently, let me know in the comments section. And if this video helped you, definitely show some love and smash the subscribe, like, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.